Ever feel like you're drowning in emails and your calendar is out of control? Today, I'm going to show you how to ramp up your productivity by combining both Gmail and Google Calendar, from customizations to simple integrations with task management tools. You'll learn how to make these tools work harder for you. First up, Gmail. Our goal is to declutter that inbox and to create some actionable tasks. So, by using the Gmail's priority inbox, you can automatically sort your emails, putting the most important ones at the top and everything else in separate tabs, like promotions or updates. Next, customize that email with workflows for filters and labels. For example, you can create a quick filter that automatically assigns a client label to all emails from specific addresses. This helps you stay organized and focus on only the things that matter. Now let's make that Gmail actionable. If you get a specific email that requires follow up, clients or calls, you can turn it into a task. Click the three dots on the email and select Add to Tasks. This creates a task in Google Tasks, which will sync with your calendar. Need some reminding? Use the email snooze feature or even set up reminders yourself, notifications inside of the task. Because remember, it's going to show up on your calendar and you'll be ready to act on them. Next, Google Calendar. We're going to structure your day with some focus. Your Google Calendar can be your hub of your day because this is where the magic happens. You're going to start by customizing the calendar. How do we do that? With color coding. Use separate colors, something for personal, work meetings, and your focus time. Add recurring events like weekly check-ins or project reviews so you don't have to keep scheduling them individually. Set up appointment slots. You've got clients. You want to let clients and colleagues book time with you, and you don't need to use an outside tool like Calendly or Acuity, and no more back and forth emails. You can link your Gmail and your calendar by creating events directly from Gmail. Drag that email over to the calendar. If you've got an upcoming meeting, just click on the three dots and select Create an Event inside of the email. All the email details will populate in a new calendar event. Very easy. Or you can drag and drop. If you've got your calendar open on the right side of your email. Next, we're going to integrate with task management tools. Remember that taskbar that on the side I said? You've got your email open. You can have your taskbar. Google Tasks, Google Keep, and Google Calendar are usually already open over there, lit up, and you can choose from one of those. When you're in Gmail, drag and drop the emails over into the task sidebar to turn them into actionable to-do items. And when you're in Calendar, you can view your tasks alongside those events to ensure that your day stays balanced. But we can take it further by connecting external tools like Trello or ClickUp, and by using those Google Workspace integrations. For example, using Zapier to automatically create a Trello card whenever you add a task in your Google Tasks. That way it's synced into your tool, your Asana, your Trello. The same things that you're actively working on in your calendar are in your task management systems, and everything is matched up and synced. A few advanced tips for maximum productivity. Things like blending. Here are a few more pro tips. Block out focus time on your calendar. You have it set to automatically decline any invites that come during that time, because that's your time to focus on those events and activities that matter. You can set up your notifications to customize in both for Gmail and calendar. so you're not interrupted by every update. Turn off email notifications for events in your calendar and then use the in-app reminders instead. No more email blinging popping up every 5 minutes or emails, regularly popping up for you. By using Gmail to keep your inbox clean and actionable, and Google Calendar to organize your day and tasks, you'll stay ahead of your day. The best part, you can integrate all the tools with your task management system. Platforms like Trello, Asana, or even ClickUp. Or keep it simple and just use your Google Keep for a connected workflow. So whether you're running a business or managing a household, combining these Gmail and Google Calendar can make your day far more productive. Ready to take control of your email and your schedule, your inbox and your schedule? Hit that like button if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips for Google Workspace and other project management tools. See you in the next video.